Meaning of domestic worker.
Domestic worker.
Domestic worker.
Domestic worker.
Domestic worker. A domestic worker is a person employed to perform household tasks such as cleaning, cooking, laundry, and childcare within a private household. Domestic workers may be live-in or live-out and are often from a lower socioeconomic status than their employers. Historically, domestic work has been associated with women from marginalized groups, such as immigrants, minorities, and people of color. Despite being critical to many households, domestic workers are often undervalued and underpaid. The International Labor Organization, ILO, estimates that there are approximately 67 million domestic workers globally, and many do not have legal protections or access to basic labor rights.